guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another really cute fall DIY for you. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. I'm wanting a wreath to hang over my mirror in my dining room. So this is what I've come up with. I have a 14-inch grapevine wreath, and I got it from Hobby Lobby, and it was $4.99, and I think it was 40% off, or I used a 40% off coupon. And then I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. These leaves, they were $4.99, but they just really have the look that I'm going for, and they were 40% off. And then when I saw this, now this was $9.99 at Hobby Lobby, but it was 40% off as well. But it has the acorns in different glittery colors, and then it has the pine cones. And then I'm going to be using this ribbon, and I love it. It's check with all the kind of the same colors that's in the pine cones and the leaves. And I'm pretty sure I got this at Hobby Lobby. It doesn't say. It was $7.99, and I know that I didn't pay $7.99 for it. So I'm assuming that I got it at Hobby Lobby and it was 40% off. Then you'll need some scissors and a glue gun, and maybe a rotary cutter to cut your ribbon. So let me cut the tags off of everything and I'll be right back. Okay, I have everything cut off, and I figured out that I want this to be the top of my wreath. So now what I'm going to do is just open these leaves up and take a look at all of these. They just have such gorgeous colors. When I saw them, I usually use Dollar Tree leaves, and I know Dollar Tree has some really pretty metallic ones, but when I saw these, I was like, I think I need these. So that's what I did. When I saw all these colors together, I just loved them. Okay, let me figure out what I want to do and how I want to do it, and then we'll glue these down. I think though I just want to kind of haphazard, maybe different colors going different ways. Oh, I think this is going to be so pretty. I haven't used this color yet. I mean, these are just gorgeous. And it looks like I'm going to have more left over, which is going to be great. Can use them for something else. So I guess you get 4 of each color. So let's see, what color do I want to put? I already have that. I have that. I could just put that. I think that would be pretty. Okay, that's how I'm going to do this. And then we'll just do that as we come to it. So what I'm going to do is just start gluing this down. This is really going to be easy. It's going to give us a really, really pretty look. And I'm going to use a spatula so I don't burn myself. And with these stems being dark, it's going to be hard to see exactly where the wreath was. So I'm like that. I just want to overlap these as I go around. This is just going to be really cute. But I always put something on my mirror, and I was like, what am I going to put? And then I thought about this, and I was like, oh, definitely. I love fall and all the beautiful colors. Okay, so that's what we're getting so far. So for time purposes, I know you know what I'm doing. I'm just covering the wreath. I'll be back. Okay, this is what we have so far. I think it is adorable. I love it. You could stop right here if you wanted to, but I'm not going to, okay? So let's look. Let's make sure this is still... I think I've decided I'm going to move it till that's the top, okay? Pretty sure. I don't know. I think I will keep it right like that. All right, now I'm going to take these and just sort of nestle these in here wherever I think that I might want them. And I might put the pine cones in first, but I have to remember that my ribbon goes there. I'm just going to put this on here and hold it. This is almost like a one-stop wreath. You can go there and get this, and I love it. Let me get one about the same size for over here. I just really think this is going to be really, really cute. And just put it wherever you think you would like to have them. There really isn't a wrong or right way. It's just whatever you like. Okay, and that is what we're getting so far. Okay, now let's get into these because I love these. Oh, I think they're beautiful. Let's see. Might want to put like some little ones together or some big ones, just however you decide that you want it. Okay, I've played around with it and I think this is pretty much how I want it. So now I'm going to start gluing it down. But like I said, you can do anything that you want. There really isn't a right or a wrong way to do this, just as long as it's visually appealing to you. And I've got to go get another glue stick. Okay. Just put it however you like it. I just wanted this to be really shiny and happy and very fall looking. I really miss seeing fall leaves. We get a little bit down here, but not a lot. And I really do miss that. And try to get it as symmetrical as you can. It's handmade, so it's not going to be perfect. But as long as it's close, that's all that matters. Oh, I think this is going to be adorable. I think it's really going to be pretty on my mirror. And I like incorporating the different colors. And I love all this shine and glitz. Ugh. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And we are almost done. And you have you a totally custom wreath. Okay, let me move all this over. And you have more stuff to put on another project. Now, let me show you what we have. This is what we have so far, and I love it. I think it is so pretty and shiny. Okay, the camera really is not doing it justice. Okay, now what I want to do is take some of this ribbon and put it in through here. And that's how I'm going to hang it on my mirror. Make sure that I like this ribbon. I thought I would, and I think I will. Okay, push this up a little bit. Then I'm going to hang it on my mirror. I think it's going to be really pretty. I don't know if I'm going to do a bow or not. We're just going to have to see because I'm really not sure. I'm going to cut off about probably that much of it. And let me go look at my mirror and I'll be back. Okay, here's the finished wreath. I really do love it. This lighting, it's cloudy today, is not doing it justice. But I am gonna hang it on my mirror with this. And I don't know, I may put a little bow up above it. I'm not sure, but I really do love how it turned out. If you would see this in the store, you would pay a lot of money for this. It is so pretty. I think that lighting is better because the cloud left. But so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys. Okay guys, I thought I'd hop on here really quick and show you that I did put a bow right up there and I attached it to my wreath, and I really do love how that turned out. I think it looks really, really pretty. So, like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.